This question comes from you who asks, what if you drilled a hole straight through the Earth? First of all, congratulations. You just invented the world's most impractical subway system. New York to Sydney, only 42 minutes. If you survive. You jump in, gravity pulls you down. At first you speed up like crazy. By the time you reach the center of the Earth, you're going over 28,000 kilometers per hour. That's faster than a rocket. But there's a small problem. The Earth's core is about 6,000 degrees Celsius. That's hotter than the surface of the sun. So before you get anywhere, you and your fancy hole are toast. Let's pretend you somehow made a magic indestructible tunnel. What happens then? Well, as you pass the center, gravity starts pulling you back. You'd slow down and then swing back and forth like a giant human yo-yo. In fact, if there were no air resistance, you'd oscillate forever, falling from one side of Earth to the other every 42 minutes. It would be the strangest roller coaster in the universe. But in reality, there is air resistance. So after a few trips, you'd stop right at the center, floating forever in a hot, dark, suffocating hole, which honestly sounds like a terrible Airbnb. So what if you drilled a hole straight through the Earth? Best case, free roller coaster ride. Worst case, instant fiery death. Either way, you're not making it to Australia.